Hi, my name is David, and I'm here to talk to you about the International Space Station. The International Space Station was created in 1998 with the help of multiple nations, big names being the USA, Canada, Japan, and Russia. Now, at the time of construction, each individual piece of the space station had to be created on the ground and then launched up into space where they got connected either during spacewalks by astronauts and by robotics such as Canadarm1 and 2. Overall, the space station is about the size of a football field and it floats about 240 miles up in the sky directly above us at all times. Now, on any given day, every day that is, the space station orbits around the Earth 16 times. Isn't that wild? A team of astronauts stays aboard the space station at all times. Since its construction in 1998, the space station has never gone at all without being manned by astronauts. Now, those astronauts aboard that space station partake in experiments that will help humanity in either space traveling, agricultural life, developing the economy, teamwork, and further space travel. Their notable discoveries include the effects of anti-gravity or zero gravity on the human body, which led the astronauts to actually exercise every day. So they can't go one day without exercising. Now, the urine that they use, now the toilet inside the International Space Station is a strap-on toilet. So you sit down on it, you strap yourself in, and then you use it. Most of the time, the urine is recycled back and used as drinking water, since we're on the space station and resupply is rare, right? Resupplies happen all the time. The longest record of any astronauts being in the International Space Station has been well over a year. And that's a long time to be in space. When you're in space for that long, you start experiencing health problems once your body gets acclimated back to Earth, right? Arguably, the ISS is one of humanity's greatest achievements. There's no question about that. Just proves what humans are capable of when we put aside hatred, race, creed, and nation, right? When we all get together and put our goals towards one end, there's no telling what we can build. It is the largest object that has ever been built. The space station is a laboratory, an observatory, and a home, all in one. Most of the time, it serves as a research lab for medicinal properties. I know they studied dark matter and developing crystals, literally growing crystals for use in medicine. Amazingly, time slows down for astronauts in space due to relative time dilation, which means the further away they are from Earth, and because they're spinning faster than Earth, they experience time slower. Now, it's not such a big difference, but if they were doing this at a larger distance, it'd make a huge difference. But 6 months for them is about 0.005 seconds younger than the rest of us. So, finally, the space station can help us answer a few questions. And I know we've all thought about it, one way or another, because it was something that we all came together to build. Clearly, the answers that we're looking for is something we all need to come together to answer. That being said, the questions that perplex me the most: who are we? Where are we going? And where did we come from? With the help of the International Space Station, I believe we can answer those questions. Thank you.